I don't know if I'm actually meditating or not. How can I tell if I'm actually meditating? Well, that's a really good question, and it comes up a lot. Meditation has many different understandings or interpretations. You know, some people think if I'm concentrating on a mantra, I'm meditation. Well, what we do in meditation is we often use a technique, and that technique is not meditation itself, although that's what we're calling it. That technique is setting up the circumstances that allow the body, energy, emotions, and mind to calm down to a state that allows us to go beyond the mind. And that's really what meditation is. It's going beyond the identification with this limited self and expanding the consciousness out beyond this physical form and experiencing something greater than this limited identification with the body, the emotions, and the mind. And it even goes so far as to transcending this feeling of duality or separateness, because meditation ultimately leads to that state of yoga or union, which is understanding and really experiencing that state of connectedness between this individual consciousness and the universal consciousness. Now, these are a lot of wonderful words that might not mean much, but how do I know if I'm meditating? I know if I'm in a state of meditation when myself and my awareness of my actual self as an individual dissolves. And then we say, well, how do you know that there's anybody there to witness that? We understand when we come back from that state of dissolution, of the ego really falling off and experiencing an interconnectedness with everything. So it's not so much that this is something we force or even do. It's something that we, again, use a technique, create the space that allows the mind to calm down enough so you can go beyond the thoughts. And this is something that happens organically. And if we do our practice day after day, we get better at creating the circumstances that allow meditation to unfold organically, we could say.